Another way to optimization mesh decimation to the target. It's very simple. Optical parameter, you can close that. It's very simple. If you want to do fast, you have just one thing, target strategy. You want triangle count. For example, we have this number of triangles in this model and force down to this. Just execute. You can see it's very good for VR, AR, anything that you want. Very simple. To target nothing, or ratio. For example, the half percent. It's make to the percentage. For example, 50%, or you want to 90%. Anything that you want, you can type here the percentage. Optional parameters, they're all about the UV importance, means preserve seams and reduce deformation. Is preserving the preserve just seams. Ignore UV. It does not mean if you set it ignore, your UV will be missed, but it's ignoring to calculating the UV and focus on deformation. If you need, you can see that. Protect topology. It's your topology of your model is very important, especially holes. You can protect that. Test it, because if you force the software to protect topology, maybe it does not calculate well. In this case, it's doing well, but in some cases, test that, because model to model is very different. The settings is very simple. Just change the settings and see what happens. This iterate threshold is for very big scene, that million and million polygon. It calculates each 5 million. You can type any number, 5 million polygon into calculate. For example, I think each 5 million needs 5 gigabyte of RAM to calculate. And if you need, you can process mesh independently. And anywhere in this software is -1, means it's bypass that settings. Okay, that's it. It's another way to decimate. For example, CAD or mesh. This is a mesh, okay? Also, you can import your directly mesh, but the main purpose of the pixyz is for CAD.